You know, that's the point of no return right there, bro.
Basically.
Can't come back from that.
Nope. It's done.
All right, so we've already started cutting. Instead of taking the glass, we decided not to take the glass off because it's a pain in the butt, and we could just completely destroy it, and now we create a mess. Not only just for me, but for him, since he's taking the remainder of the car. So the best course of action that we decided to go with was just to cut further up. So we're doing it here. So I think he's almost done cutting this side. He's going to work through the inside of the car. But as you can see, that's where the cut is at right now. So, yeah. So we are getting to this back of the car where all the back seats and everything is at. You probably can see it here, but you have the seat belt bracket right here, and then you have the seat latch bracket right here. So these two brackets, I'm going to drill out the tack welds, and I'm going to remove them. I'm not sure how I will use them yet on the wagon build, but what I would like to incorporate is seats that fold. The Lexus GS, their seats do not fold, they're fixed seats. So I am trying to do that. So I have to do both sides of this car, and then at least I will have these brackets along when I start dropping this in. And the nice thing is that I'm keeping most of the structure, so I should be able to figure out how to make this work. But having these brackets to begin with, I think will make my job easier. So. So we cut the roof. He's gonna move forward slowly, hopefully. There he goes. All right. Car system is going insane. Car's like, everything is wrong. Let me just look at the happy new owner of this convertible 335 Ute. I don't know what you call this. All right, man, let's do this. It's ridiculously looking.
You should come in here with me.
I want to record outside, and then maybe on the second go around, I'll follow you.
I'll come back.
All right. Don't forget about me.
Speed limit. Turn your signal on.
Yeah, they can see that for sure. He knows.
Everyone's like, it's like having a party of that. It's faster.
Oh, I'm sure. All right, so we're in this bitch now. Oh yeah, it feels extremely fast now.
Yeah, it moves a lot easier. Yeah, he was like, yeah.
Yeah.
They're all just like, what's going on?
All right, here we go. You hear the exhaust more too, I'm sure.
A lot of dust and wind kicks up. I wonder, does it have traction control?
It does, but I don't know. It's one of these buttons. I don't know which one it is. You'll figure that shit out. Yeah, you should be good. This car's crazy. It's mad now.
It's so light.
Oh, bro, you're gonna love
We're
this.
having like a party over there.
You're going to love this when you get that on the 58 and you take it out for a cruise the first
It's
day.
gonna be sick.
This moves, man. This moves. And you're only reaching like 60.
Yeah.
You're not really doing anything crazy yet.
Oh my god, this is ridiculous. Yeah, everybody was like watching me like come down here. It was funny.
Yeah, that's how this thing looks. It's crazy though. That car's falling. I was like, what the fuck?
I know.
Yeah. There she goes. Right. 535XI cut. Going to the new owner who's gonna do a chassis swap on a 58. So be on the lookout for Altered Intense chassis swap.